What's up, everybody? My name is B.L.A.N. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about the Hydro system through Unger. And if you guys are running out of resin and you are above 15 or 16 or 17, it's time to change your resin, okay? So the resin bag comes in like this and it has a bunch of resin in it. It's gold, if you will, is what you'll see. You can get a mixed batch, which this is right here, and I'll tell you where I got this from and how you can actually order it locally. I have a funny story about that. So what you're going to do is you're going to clip this up very nice and slow so you don't rip the bag because it's going to have resin in it. And then you're going to dry it out. Okay, so now we're at this point, so we're going to refill it. So I'm just going to put it over like that. And then what I'm going to do, put it like this. You're going to take one of these bundy cords and I'm going to go up and around to where it's nice and tight on there, like so. So when you push down, it's not going to pop down and make a mess. So real quick, mixed bed, deionized water or resin. It's SAP-MB-450-CF. General purpose mixed bed, and they have a bunch of other numbers right there. Okay, Detroit Sponge, one of the kids that worked there, he says, oh, it's the local stuff too, from, you know, the resin. And so then he ripped it off so I wouldn't be able to find it. On my way out, I took a picture of the sticker, and so I'll share with that information for you guys if you guys want it. But that's really what you need to do is find it. So this resin is a little different. I've just cut a water bottle up like this. Very simple and easy. This resin looks like that. It is a lot different, okay? I'm just gonna put it in. Easy to scoop out like this. Comes in like that. Scoop this over. This bag here cost 180 bucks. I'm hoping I can get 4 out of here. With the filter that I have on my Unger Hydro system, I'm getting about 19.5 hours from it. So the filters that I have is working very, very well. I haven't used this mixed bed, so I'm pretty interested to see how, I wonder how healthy this is touching it, by the way. We never know how healthy this stuff is touching it. I have no idea what's in it. It's purifying our water, we drink it, so I suppose it's pretty good. We're getting to where we need to be. One more for good luck. Alright. I just take this and keep that back in there and I wrap it back up. Let me show you. I mean, I hardly used any of it. Sorry for taking you on for a ride here, but there you go. So much I used, so not very much. So maybe I can even get 4 out of it. Alright, then I just tap it like this, and what we're doing is we're tapping everything down. Okay? And then little particles are sticking in your hand. Let's try one more scoop. Just there you go. Wrap it again. Let it all settle down in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this back up. This is what I like doing. Grabbing another zip tie. Stand it twisted like this. I think I can get maybe 5 or 6. Let's do one more scoop. I should have it down to a science after the bag's all done. Maybe we'll have one more scoop. Maybe we'll make it. We'll use it all up. Who cares? We're making money, right? Yeah, that sounds about right there. Alright. You can rewatch the video and see how many scoops I actually put in. And then I take this zip tie and we'll zip tie this back up. Like so, we'll put it in the box. Back in the box, and there we go. So now, what we'll do up here. These are a little bit bigger zip ties, a little bit more, I guess better if you will. Alright, what we're going to do is just like a nylon material. We're going to take it like so. I like to wrap it down here. You take it. That's good to go. Then we can take this and clip it. Now we have our other resin bag, just like so. It fits in the old container, right? This is the old container that the resin came in. Now what we're going to put on there is good. So what I like to do, so we'll open this up, and on the reason why we use such a big tab is I will put G for good in there, okay? And then what will happen is when I'm done, I'll erase it, so we're not getting confused. You can't really get it confused too much. And then we have our full thing of resin. There we go. We're set to go. And the big box of resin gets put away until next time. So we have to do it. So we're going, like I said, we're going through about 19.5 hours on the other stuff. This is a mixed batch. I've never used it before, so I'm interested in see how this lasts. I'm thinking that it will last less, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm pumped up. All right, you guys, until next time, love you guys. See you guys.